Remove the battery pack. Use a T20 bit to remove the 6 screws securing the scraper bar. Replace it with a new scraper bar and tighten with the screws. Use a T20 bit to remove the 7 screws securing the drive belt cover. Use a needle nose plier to remove the spring from the hook. Remove the drive belt by slowly turning the auger pulley counterclockwise while pulling the belt outwards. Install a new drive belt by rotating it onto the pulleys. Use a needle nose plier to install the spring onto the hook. Rotate the pulley to make sure that the drive belt is installed firmly on the V-grooves. Reinstall the drive belt cover and tighten with the screws.